and today I'm doing a bike check. Okay, let's start with the cranks. I don't know what the cranks are called because I think they've been painted over about 1,000 times. I got them off eBay. BSD tyres, Alienation front rim, blunt silver. Yeah, BSD tyres. I've got 2.4 on the front, 2.2 at the back. I've got a stem. I don't know what stem it is. I've got a Mafia at 20.9, I think. 20.9 premium frame. I've got blunt silver bars, 28.5, and I've got AD grips. I don't know how you say it. The new BSD Safari pedals. Look, the seat is a Salt one. If you can see the Salt seat. If you want to see how loud it is, just watch this. Okay. Okay, that's the loud. That's how loud my rear hub is. I got Alienation rims. God damn it. Just seconds. There we go. I like to keep my bike pretty dialed, but the only reason why it doesn't sound as dialed as you think is because when I was cleaning my hub out to make it louder, what happened is I haven't tightened it properly around here, so it's a bit bad. I quite like to keep the chain a bit tight. I got forgot what. Yeah, I pretty much forgot this part here. I know what it's called, the hub guard, and this is BSD signed pegs. I got 2 pegs, 2 on the right. I quite like to have, I ride on the right and I like to have my pegs on the right. I don't know why you would do that, but it seems like a good idea. Sorry for my state of my hair. I've literally just woken up, as you can see I'm in my onesie. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you want to ask any questions in the description, or if you want me to do any how-tos, please feel free to comment, and see you guys. Bye.